This is your new sound. It's shh. Can you do that? And the reason it's a tricky sound is because it has one, two letters. Can you count that for me? 1, 2. 2 letters, but one sound. You stand there, Joshua. You stand there, Asma. We have the letter S, and it's a S when it's on its own. We have the letter H when it's on its own. But when they join and they shake hands, you shake your hand, shake your hand, it becomes the sh sound. Let me just get my wooden pieces out and have a little go at writing the sh sound. What do we have for the letter S? 2 curves, Mila. Well done. Ready? Small curve, small curve. We've got a long straight, small curve, short straight. We've practiced the letter S and we've practiced the letter H, and now we're going to practice sh. Small curve, small curve. And then there's long straight. When these 2 letters, S and S and H, come together and they make the sh sound, they play at being shh, shh, pirates. And the reason why they are shh, shh, pirates is because they do not want any other pirates to steal their treasure. To go and find some treasure, we need to get to an island.
I'll drive the boat.
A pirate car. No, that doesn't start with a sh. Ishmael, a pirate. A pirate ship. Should we get on our ship?
Yes.
Yes, stand up then. Let's get on our pirate ship. And I'm going to use my shaker to make the sounds of the waves. Are you ready? I've got my shovel to help me shovel. Shh, 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 shh. Oh, bouncing treasure. Found some. What are they?
Shells.
Shells. A big box of treasure. Who says we open it? Okay. Oh, talk to your partner a moment. What things with the sh sound might be in this treasure box? Turn to your partner. What things with a sh sound might be in here? Finn, what do you think?
A shiny stone.
A shiny stone. That would be wonderful if that was in here. Rebecca.
Shiny shoe.
A shiny shoe. That would be excellent.
Hello.
Ishmael.
Shark.
A shark.
Now today I've got my friend Stoat here. Stoat's come to ask us to work really hard at a sound today. And the sound that Stoat wants us to work really hard at is this sound. Do you know what it is? Oh, can you all say it? Oh, we're going to put it up here to remind us. Now, we have a little think about how to make that sound. You remember that when we have one card, we have one sound. We might need 2 letters to make that one sound. Which side are you going to put that? Good boy. Do you want to put the other one as well? Well done. So we've got 2 letters to make one sound, and on one card it's just one sound, and it says O. Can I hear you? O. Oat. Oat. Float. Oak. Oak. Cloak. Croak. Our sound today is a nice stretchy sound. All eyes on me, and a nice stretchy sound is oh, and we can sing it as well. Ready? Oh, so nice and stretchy. Ready? Let's go. Oh, excellent. Once more. Oh, hands on your knees, turn to your partner and show them, sing to them and stretch it. Oh, excellent. I love it when you just turn your heads. That's really nice. Well done. Here, I have a picture of a bear, and he is having lots and lots of fun in the snow, and he's gone up to a bit of the snow and he's going, oh, blow the snow. Can we try that? Ready? Oh, blow the snow. So you're going to blow the snow off your hand. Are you ready? Oh, blow the snow. Blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Blow the snow. Oh.
Well done.
Oh.
What's this one?
Oh.
Thank you.
Blow the snow.
Excellent. We are going to do some words with the sound O. B-l-o. B-l-o. Blow. Good girl, Bernice. S-n-o. S-n-o. Excellent. Sh-o. Good. N-o. And it's not the red word no that we know, it's I know. I know how to count to 10. I know all my sounds. Flow.